Hi everybody, today I will tell you how to replace the keyboard of DELL INSPIRION laptop. To begin, you need to prepare a flathead screwdriver and remember to remove all peripherals, AC adapter or battery, and don't use a razor blade. Avoid to scratch the laptop and there are 8 steps to replace it. Firstly, you need to slide the two battery and release the latches. Secondly, lift up the battery and thirdly, you need to turn over and open the laptop. Therefore, you need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry 5 keyboard latches, and then you have to lift the keyboard up about 30 degrees, and next you have to disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. After that, you can remove the old keyboard and finally reverse the old step to install the new keyboard. These are all steps to replace the keyboard of DELL INSPIRION laptop. If you have any questions, you can contact me through the email or phone number.